Hi, this is Jamie from Empowered Social Media. Welcome back. This is hashtag video number 2. We're going to tell you how many hashtags are going to be optimizing your content on LinkedIn and Instagram. So, drum roll please. It is actually 30 hashtags on Instagram. So right now you're probably like, there's no way, Jamie, for every content I produce that I'm going to have 30 hashtags to put out. I don't have the time to produce that many hashtags. So what I'm telling you, instead of trying to create 30 hashtags for every single post, you have some core hashtags that you use. So you can select between 22 and 25 core hashtags that make sense for your business materials. Again, like for me, I'd use social media tips or Facebook marketing or Instagram marketing, LinkedIn marketing. And that's what I would use. 22 to 25. There's a whole recipe for what kinds you should use because there's different popularity in Instagram. We'll talk about that next time. And finally, LinkedIn, it is 4 to 5. And specifically when you use 4 to 5 hashtags, you're thinking about the audience. Where are they going to be in there? I'm not looking at the professional social media marketer. I'm looking at someone who's an entrepreneur right now. So I would do a hashtag entrepreneur, a hashtag small business, so I could capture the right person who's going to use this in the future. That's it. See you next time.